So, guys, in section 2.3, we have a problem about blood groups, and it's a little difficult. Okay, so I'm going to work on this problem. This is a version of the problem. It's not the exact same problem that you did, but if you understand this, you should be able to do the one that's in your text. Before we get to the main problem, I am going to go over the blood types. Okay, if your blood has A, you're in this circle. If your blood has B, you're in this circle. And this is called rhesus factor. If your blood has a rhesus factor, it's going to be plus. So if you're in this circle, you have a plus. So if you're outside this circle, you're minus. Okay. You don't have A or B, you're zero. So let's label this based on what we just said. This part is going to be A negative. A because it's in the A circle, negative. Excuse me. It's outside the rhesus circle. Rhesus factor. This has no rhesus factor. This is going to be B minus. Same justification. It's inside the B circle. It's outside the RH circle. What about this part? This part contains A and B, but it's outside the rhesus circle. So it's going to be AB minus. Okay. So we call it AB negative. Okay. This is A negative. This is B negative. You have to understand the parts of your Venn diagram. Okay. This one is going to be A positive because it's in the A circle and the rhesus circle together simultaneously. For the same reason, this is going to be B positive. You can guess the center should be AB positive because it belongs to all three circles. Okay. This part has no A, no B, but it's an RH. So it's going to be zero. That's important. Zero positive. O positive. Can you guess what this part is going to be called? The part outside the three circles? It's going to be called O negative. O because it doesn't have A or B. Negative because it doesn't belong to the RH circle. And you have to get this. All right. You have to get this if required. Watch the video twice or do some online research. That's totally fine. And I'm gonna save this picture. Okay. I'll need it. It'll help us a lot. So I'm gonna save it here. All right. I'm gonna go back and do my problem. I don't. Well, let me think. We don't need this. Okay. I don't need this. I have it. I'll go back if I have to. I do need the room to write the numbers. 46 people have A. That means I'm going to put 46. That's how I do it. In parentheses here. That means all the numbers inside the A circle should add up to 46. 46 for B, 46 had B. Excuse me. I'm going to put 46 here. All the numbers inside the B circle should also add up to 46. I'm going by the table. Our H is 37. I'm going to put 37 here in parentheses. All the four parts inside the RH circle should add up to 37. Now, things are getting more interesting. I addressed the first three pieces of data, A and B. When I say A and B, I mean this football. The football that's shared between A and B. So, sorry, let me do it nicely. A and B means this. This football together should be 28. Now, I'm going to now go back and start with this. Okay, A, B, and H. That's important, guys. Okay, that's very important because you wanna eventually go to the center. The center helps a lot. The center is 12. So I'm gonna put my 12 right here. Okay. That's important because A plus B plus RH is 12. Now, B and RH means this football here should be 23. Okay. This is 12. This has to be 11. In order for that football shared between B and RH be 23, this has to be 11. I'll try not to do the math incorrectly. That's going to be a disaster. All right, now going up. A and RH. A and RH is 21. All right. A and RH is 21. This football has to be 21. So this guy has to be 9. Has to be. You really have to understand that. Hopefully you studied the chapter and it makes sense. And AB is 28. So this has to be 16, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Now we can go back, dress the numbers inside the parentheses. Remember, guys, if 46 of the patients have A, and we have accounted for 16, 12, and 9 inside the A circle, from 46, subtract 16, 12, and 9, and whatever number you get, it's going to be your number that goes here. 46 minus 16 is 30. 30 minus 12 is 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. If I'm not mistaken, this is going to be 9 here. Okay. Now I don't need this 46 anymore. That's why I put it in parentheses. This is also 46. 46 minus 16 is 30. 30 minus 12 is 18. 18 minus 11 is 7. 7 goes here. And this one is 37 minus 12 is 25. 25 minus 11 is 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. 5 goes here. Now, very carefully, how do we find what goes here? Remember this piece of data, 76 people? Altogether, there are 76 people. So let's see how many people were accounted for. If I count all the numbers inside the 3 circles, that will give me the number of people who have been accounted for, and I will subtract that number from 76. So what do I get here? 9 plus 12 is 21. 21 plus 11 is 32. 32 plus 5 is 37. So this circle is 37. Of course, I knew that, right? But I wanted to check just to make sure my math was fine. This is 37. 37 plus 7 is going to be 44. 44 plus 9 is going to be 53. 53 plus 16 is going to be 53 plus 16 is going to be 69. From 76, if you subtract 69, you're going to get 7. Now, I will check it once again, okay? All right, let's do it once again because I don't want to mess it up. This is 37. I checked it twice. 37 plus 16 is 53. 69. So that sounds about right. 69. I would like to believe I didn't mess it up. Now we can answer the question. How many were classified as zero negative? I'm going to write my answers here. I would say from my picture has to be 7. This is A. Answer to A is 7. AB negative. Remember, guys, AB negative is going to be this per half of this football. That's going to be 16. And B positive. B positive is going to be, this is AB positive, this is B positive. It's going to be 11 if I'm not mistaken. Let me go back again. Inside B, inside RH, yes, C is going to be 11. And the last one, A positive is going to be 9. A positive is inside A, inside the rhesus factor, but that's going to be 9. Now, guys, this is a hard problem. Okay. So I did do it previously. I'm going to quickly check my answers. Okay. 7, 16, 11, 9. If I messed up, I'm going to redo parts of it, of course. 7, 16, 11, 9, 17. I didn't mess it up. Okay. I hope that helps, guys. It's a hard problem. Make sure you understand how the parts are labeled, what part is A positive, what part is AB negative, and so on and so forth. And other than that, it's just a 3-set Venn diagram problem. I hope that helps.